Hello everyone. In our tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to block YouTube channels, and it's pretty easy. All you have to do is simply launch your YouTube application and make sure that you're using the latest version. Now, let's just say first, if you don't want this channel to appear on your YouTube homepage, the very first thing you should do here is to simply locate the three dots that is below the video. Once you tap the three dots, you will see here options. First, you can tap this not interested so that anything that is related to this channel will not show up on your YouTube homepage. The second thing is that you can also tap that specific channel or YouTube user, tap this or three dots, and you can tap this don't recommend channel. So this channel will no longer appear on your YouTube home or feed. Now, to block or hide this user or channel from your YouTube channel, you just have to simply go to the user's channel and then locate this hide user from my channel. Click hide user again, and you will expect that this YouTube user or this channel will no longer comment, like, even subscribe, or visit your YouTube channel. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is to block YouTube channels. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.